Hello and welcome to Your Finger, My Ring. If you haven't seen me before, I turn coins into rings, and today I'm going to be turning this Denmark coin into a ring, 1977. So first of all, we've got to punch a hole in it. It's already got a hole in it. They come like this, but it's not big enough. So I need to make another hole in the coin. How's everybody doing? Good? This is a 3/8 punch, because it's a small coin, so I want to try and keep it as wide as I can. And this is a 20-ton. Hydraulic press. Sorry about the wobbling, but the camera's attached to the press, so it does move around a little bit. So what do we got? One punched coin. I'm glad we've still got the crown. We'll have this on the outside of the ring. So first of all, I've got to deburr it. Just cleans up the edge where I punched through. As you see, it's a bit rough here and there. A bit like me, I suppose. Okay. I'm not too sure what this coin's made of. I tried to make a coin ring a few days ago out of this coin. It was so light, I was thinking, whatever's it made of? So then I went to anneal it, and it just melted. It was aluminium. Aluminium coins, eh? Right, let's clean that up. No scratches. There's no mushrooms going in there or any rubbish like that. Right, so I don't think I'm going to anneal this to start with. Let's see how it goes. This is just a 17-degree folding die. We want the crown and the leaves and the date on the outside of the ring. Just want this nice and level all the way around. Right, it's got a big red. There he is. Okay, let's give this a go. This is without annealing it, because I'm not too sure what this coin's made of. It's quite soft. Surely it's not aluminium. Okay, let's turn it over. I finished folding it. Okay, that's fully folded. We just want to clean up that edge again. Make sure there's no my knees again. Stupid boy. Okay, do I have a thing about my knees? No, but it's the last thing you guys want to watch. Unless there's some little darlings out there that want to see my knees, then little bit of a moat there. If you want to check out my shop, you can do. I'm still working on it, but it's up and running. It's yourfingermyring.com. Check it out, see what you think. If you'd like me to make you a ring, I'll happily do so. Right, I'm still not going to put any fire on this coin yet. Let's go over to spike. I'll have to check out, find out what this is made of. If you're new to my channel, I've just only been doing this for about 6 weeks, or making videos for about 6 weeks. If you'd like to subscribe, there's a little tiny red button on the bottom right hand corner of this video. If you press that, you're automatically subscribed. It saves a lot of mucking around. This is so soft. I suppose this could be aluminium. I'll have to check later on. What size we got? It's going to be a small ring, so at the moment it's a just over 5. I usually have to anneal these coins, well, all of my coins, quite a few times, but this is really soft. What size are we looking at now? 7 1/4. And in my shop now, I'm now starting to size my rings all in Euro sizes. I was going to put them in English, and it's too much. I mean, they're being Euro sizes. And all you've got to do is you can go online and get a chart, a conversion chart for UK sizes or US sizes. So they're all going to be in EU sizes. That's near as damn it 8.5. I think that might do. I'm not going to go anymore. Right, let's get a bit more clean up. This will be quite a short video because I've done no annealing. Everybody's going, yeah! Right, now I've got to straighten these walls up because they're a little bit cone shaped. See that? So for that, let me go over to spike again. And I think this one's going to be a bit too big. I think, oh no, it might fit. Yeah, that's good. Try and find something a bit, I think I went a bit too far. Let's go the other way. It's going to be a small ring. That's pretty sexy. No, a bit the other way. I don't think that moved at all. That's not too bad. They're pretty straight. In fact, they're very straight. That's good. Okay. So now we want to deburr reeded edge. See that little line on the inside there? We've got to cut that out, otherwise it's uncomfortable to wear. But this shouldn't take long to cut out because it's very soft. If you'd like me to make earring, I'll happily do so. I'm actually putting a list now as well in my shop of the different coins we've got, so that's going to take a while because I've got to go through them all, get the years. You can also send me your own coins and I'll turn them into rings. I'm really hoping that this couple in Sweden let me make their wedding rings. That'd be great. I think they're up for it, but I'll let you know. This is the first coin ring I've made without annealing a coin. A little bit more in there. That's nice. Right, what size we got now? This is now a size 7 3/4. This is a US manual, so sorry about that. Okay, let's give it a bit of a wipe round. Get Dave out. Like I've been saying, I'm going for a satin look instead of shiny. Trouble with shiny is you can't see it's a coin on your finger. The satin look, you get to see the detail and, you know. Let's just clean up this inside edge where we punched through. Oh, this is the shortest video I've done, so I doubt if it'll ever get much shorter. I do like to film the whole process from beginning to end. You know, it pisses some people off they're too long, but, you know, they are what they are. I'm also just starting to put them timestamps on the bottom of the video, so if you don't like a certain part, you can skip ahead, you know. But watch the whole thing, it's pretty good. This is just very, very fine sandpaper. Just hold it at a 45-degree angle, just takes off the edge. Right, another little whack round, Dave. Okay, what have we got? $1977. Bit of the crown. Bit of the leaves. Got all the detail on the inside of the ring. Yeah. It only fits my little finger. So thanks for looking, and see you in the next one. Have a great week. What's left of it. Bye bye.